If you struggle with gas, bloating, severe digestive issues, you've been to every doctor out there, yet you still are struggling with all of these issues, this video is for you. I failed to heal my gut for over 10 years. I ended up figuring out I had 15 types of parasites, H. pylori, SIBO. I had mast cell activation, got down to 3 foods. I had over 150 colonics, been to top healing centers, and when no doctor could help me, I went back to school for holistic nutrition, became a GAPS practitioner, and I healed myself. If you struggle with digestive issues, you know the feeling. When I was younger, I had so much pain. Every food would give me a reaction. I wouldn't want to go out. I wouldn't want to be social. When I was struggling with all of my digestive issues, I thought I was never going to get better. Food became an obsession for me. I got down to such limited foods, and even those 3 to 4 foods would actually trigger a reaction, causing me more gas, bloating, crampings. I had severe cravings. I didn't even want to be social. It took over my life, and that is why I have dedicated my career, my everything, to helping individuals deal with severe digestive issues. When we have digestive issues, we typically go toward these low FODMAP or elimination diets. And while going to these elimination diets just for, a few weeks can really help you figure out what foods are causing issues and actually reduce your symptoms, when we cut our food, what happens is, say we go on a low FODMAP diet, we're not having those fermentable carbohydrates with. So if we have the gut bacteria and imbalance in it, and you're not having that fiber for it to ferment and cause more gas and bloating, you are gonna feel better. But if you get off of that diet and you're not getting to the root cause of what's causing the issues to begin with, then you're gonna be back with severe gas, bloating, digestive issues, pain, all of that to begin with. I got stuck on this such limited diet I was on the low FODMAP diet for over 3 years, and I developed a fear of getting off of that. Because every time that I did, since no doctor was able to get down to that root cause in the beginning and figure out that I had the parasites, the SIBO, the H. pylori, I was never healing the gut, eliminating those pathogens, and I would have the issues all again. I did a whole video on why when we cut our diet and it's very limited, how it could actually affect our gut, our health, and lead to more issues with having leaky gut. And I'm gonna link that right above here. But one big thing I wanna mention, we have a diverse gut microbiome in our gut. If we're cutting all of our foods out, we're removing a lot of the fibers, the starches, like I said, those ferment, cause more gas and bloating if we have an imbalance going on. What happens is we're not giving the probiotics, the prebiotics to feed it to get your garden growing. So if we limit our foods down, we're not actually working towards giving us a good diverse microbiome, and 80% of our immune system is in our gut. So this is really important for our overall gut health and just our health in general. I was so desperate to feel better that I went and bought every supplement, every cleanse, went to every doctor out there. I would get home, try out all of these superfoods and gut healing supplements, and then I would have a reaction. My gut was not happy. I would feel back to square one. I just spent all of that money on those supplements because an influencer or commercial or somebody said that that was going to heal my gut and get my bloating away. And then I would be in such a state of just feeling so run down, wanting to cry, feeling like I just wasted all this money, I'm not getting better. And that was like a big thing for me. I want to say this. What works for one person does not work for another.